In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Smartsheet for free. Now, if you're new to Smartsheet or you're considering its capabilities for your project management needs, trying it out with a free 30-day trial could be the perfect opportunity to explore all it has to offer without any upfront cost or commitment. Let's walk through how you can get started with this trial and what you can expect from the experience. First off, the great news is that Smartsheet offers a free 30-day trial, giving you a taste of their business plan features, which are ideal for those needing robust project management tools. You'll gain access to a variety of functionalities, including the ability to create up to 50 sheets. These sheets are invaluable for organizing tasks, managing schedules, or any specific workflows you might be dealing with. Moreover, the trial also includes access to dashboards, reports, workload tracking, and even AI tools, all designed to streamline your project management process. This level of access can really help you understand how Smartsheet might fit into your daily operations, giving you a hands-on experience with powerful tools right at your fingertips. And here's another plus. There's no need to enter your credit card information to start the trial. This ensures that you won't be hit with unexpected charges, and you can focus solely on exploring the platform. To get started with your Smartsheet trial, head over to their website and sign up for the trial. You'll provide some basic information such as your name and email address, and that's pretty much it. Once you've signed up, you can dive right into creating sheets and exploring features to see how Smartsheet can elevate your project management needs. Now, it's important to keep in mind that this trial only lasts for 30 days. Once it concludes, your account will automatically revert to the limited free plan. This free plan doesn't offer the full array of features you will have grown accustomed to during the trial period, but it may still provide enough functionality for basic needs. Additionally, sheets that you've created during your trial become read-only for the next 30 days post-trial. This means you'll be able to view and share them, but not make any edits. After this 30-day window, those sheets will unfortunately be deleted unless you choose to upgrade to one of Smartsheet's paid plans. Consider this timeline when managing your projects to ensure that you don't lose any crucial work you've put together during the trial. So there you have it, a simple way to explore Smartsheet's capabilities risk-free for an entire month. Make the most of these 30 days to get familiar with the platform and determine if it's the right fit for your needs. Thank you for watching, and happy project planning.